Jackie Mazzocato here, and this is my Thursday cook-up.
Today I've got a fantastic dish for you, one that I want to serve on Christmas Day because we're going to do seafood this Christmas. So great for a summer's day when you don't really want to be in the kitchen. So what we're going to cook today is steamed fish with a cashew cream sauce and a green papaya salad. So the first thing I need to do is just season my fish. I've got a steam oven on behind me. However, you can also do this one just in a bamboo steam basket if you want to, just straight over some boiling water on the oven. So still easy to do. I'm just going to squeeze a bit of this lemon, and then I'm going to pop that into the steam oven for about 6 minutes. So what we're going to do now, while that fish is cooking, is we're going to make our cashew cream. I've just got a cup of cashews and a cup of water in here, and all I'm going to do is take my stick blender and on the low setting. You can see I've got a nice consistency, but I like to cook off my cashew cream. You can eat it just like this if you like. 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. So let's pop that in there to cook that one off. This will keep in the fridge for about 5 days. We're just gonna let the cashew cream cook down while we prepare the salad. So unfortunately, I can't always get green papaya where I am, so I wanted to show you what I do when I can't get green papaya. I use 2 green apples instead of half a green papaya. So literally we just add the green papaya. In here I've got 2 tablespoons of coriander, 2 tablespoons of some diced up mint. It smells really good. And 2 spring onions there. I like to add some little sticks of green beans and some capsicum for some beautiful colour. I've got a punnet of tomatoes there. So for the dressing, we've got 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I have a tablespoon of lemon, or half a lemon. I always use the lemon rind because I think it's a waste not to. So we've got in here a tablespoon of fish sauce, a teaspoon of dark soy, and a teaspoon of sesame oil in that one. And that makes our dressing. We're just going to add, I've taken all the seeds out of a long red chilli, and I'm just going to add the chilli in there as well. Just give it a little bit of kick. So that's literally it. That's our dressing. And just mix that all together. A beautiful fresh salad there to go with our steamed fish and our cashew nut cream sauce. So literally in the time that it took to steam my fish, which was 6 minutes, I've got my cashew cream is done there. So I'm going to just put a nice serving of the cashew cream on the plate. I'm just going to pop my fish just there. Let that sort of soak through. And then just a beautiful big serving here of that stunning salad. So there we have it, my steamed fish, cashew nut sauce and green papaya salad with a little bit, yum, yum, this is just delicious. I can't wait to Christmas and I get to serve this to the family. So hopefully you can get a papaya, but if like me you weren't able to, go the 2 green apples. Bon appetito.